Right guys, so welcome to another video. Hope you all had a great Christmas. Today we're going to be fitting a boost gauge for somebody. It's on the Corsa VXR as well. Jack's sat drinking his McDonald's drink. Oh no, he's eating. So yeah, hope you all had a fantastic Christmas. You might be like, well, where's this unit you was on about? Well, we are literally just waiting. It's with the solicitors because it's fell over Christmas and New Year. It's kind of difficult to obviously get it as soon as possible because obviously it's closed. So 2nd of January, that's when the solicitors reopen, so we should hear more then. Right guys, so we've got Mickey and Tom here. What is Corsa VXR, which is really nice actually. It's different in the white. It's not the Arctic edition, but it's going to get a boost gauge, aren't you?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so we just nipped to Alfred's. Look at Mickey. Just nipped to Alfred's to get some speaker wire and some more vacuum pipe just because we ain't got enough, and Jack's just pretending he knows what he's looking at right now. Don't you, Jack? So, as you can see here, pretty much all white, but it's got the black accents on it. Private plate. Got the white VXR badge. Is that the carbon?
Yeah, carbon effect extension.
What else you had done on this exterior?
Nothing else really exterior, just had the
You've got the mud flaps, the canards,
flaps. Yeah.
cold air feed.
Yeah, cold air feature. And then the badges
splitter.
and the sunstrip. Not much else on the outside.
He looks smart though, that does.
Yeah.
Jack's just stood there pretending like it's nothing to do with this vlog. Jack! Right, so as you can see in the engine bay, he's got a ram air cone, GS performance hoses. Is that alloy? Alloy intake. Yeah. What you got down bottom? Radiator coolant hoses.
Yeah. All the hoses, yeah.
That's actually quite smart. Looks different with the white, but that's actually really smart.
People usually go for the white hoses, but I thought something a different colour would be better.
Yeah, it looks 10 times better, I think, actually. The contrast is like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
What, have you got intercooler on it or not yet?
No, not yet, yeah.
What colour are you planning on going intercooler?
Airtech intercooler, but then the same orange hoses.
Oh, yeah. That looks smart, that will. Yeah. That looks smart.
Then actually silver intercooler then.
Are you going to change your boost pipe as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. So what we're going to do now is we're going to strip his interior for his boost gauge. Like I said, we have done a video on this already, but this is just going to be more of a vlog style, and that car best wait. So yeah, get back to you in a minute. Right, so we're just going to show him his gauge working. Jack's touching battery. Look at that, it does a nice sweep. It's actually quite nice, isn't it, that?
It's cool, huh?
Happy. Well, you'll be happy when it's actually in.
Oh, yeah.
So what we've done in interior here is Jack has, while we nip back to Alfred's, stripped the interior from this bit here, took the glove box out. That's very simple to take out, by the way. I'll probably link a video in the description. We're just going to use a piggyback fuse connector on these to connect it, aren't we, Jack? Yeah. Put it in the vent, so it's silicon the actual gauge holder in. Is it gauge holder? What's the technical name?
Something like that.
I'm going to get run over. So it's silicon the gauge holder in the actual vent hole, because that's where he's having it, and letting it dry. And then Jack's just going to do whatever Jack does.
I'm going to go to sleep.
Can I go to sleep?
No.
Please?
Okay.
Thanks. They're inspecting 350. Do you approve?
Oh yeah.
Do you approve, mate?
I need it.
Nice, aren't they? Really nice.
Is it short shift as well?
Yeah. What do you think to engine, boys?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Big, isn't it? Really big.
It's massive.
It's not much room to actually work in there, but it's nice. Oh, yeah. It's really nice. It's nice to work on as well, to be fair. It's really nice to work on. Jack, what are you doing?
We're in a hole.
I beg your pardon. Jack, what are you doing? Besides sitting on your ass. Says us three looking at reflection, just stood here watching him. What have you actually done, Jack? Oh, okay. He's connecting cables. So you're having your boost gauge in the driver's side vent, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
Sure you don't want to take another one? No, he's done it just to mess him up.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Changed your mind now.
It's silicon, didn't that?
Bet you've never seen your car such a state either, have you? Just bits everywhere. And then Jack just sat there
Dying inside at the state.
on the baby wipes. Jack, why have you got baby wipes?
For my hands.
Jack moisturises, don't you, Jack? Jack, do you moisturise?
No.
Jack. Jack. Right, so we've just put a sponge in his air vent, so if you get any dodgy smells, blame Jack. Right? It's nothing to do with me, nothing to do with me at all. That's just that's basically just to stop any incorrect readings and heat affecting your gauge. Just so you know.
And to give you nice memories of Jack.
Exactly.
It's in your gauge.
Exactly.
I'll remember.
Tom knows. Tom knows. Right, Jack's just testing his gauge.
Moment of truth.
It's on and it sweeps. Do it again, Jack. Here we go. It's working. It's working. It's working. It just needs all putting in there now, and everything putting back together.
Yeah, but the wiring's done.
Yeah.
I need to fag a second.
Jack.
What?
Right. So in here we've obviously attached the vacuum pipe to his vacuum pipe. You have one of two. You can just see this one here where we've attached it to. There's also another one there when it focuses. You can attach it to any of them two. Then obviously we've fed it through the grommet inside to where Jack is, just in there. You can just see his hood. Jack. Jack's fitted it all in. It's all in the vent there, as you can see. So we're just going to test it now. He's going to turn it all on and make sure it's all doing what it should. I love that sweeping motion. So as you can see here, it's not going to go past 0 because there's no turbo kicking in. So if he puts his foot down a little bit, see, it goes up, but it won't actually kick in until he actually obviously is hitting boost, because there's no boost there while it's idle. So what we're going to do now is pack all this away, Jack, and then we're going to take it for a test drive and just make sure everything's all working as it should. We're just taking it out now to make sure obviously the boost gauge works as well as it should. You just seen from that little clip a minute ago, obviously the gauge turning over. So what he's going to do now is just going to get his RPM up to about 3,000-ish. He start boosting around about 2.5 to 3,000, then he's going to put his foot down. So obviously there it was going to about 0.9 bar, which is roughly about 13 psi, I think, which is where it should be at. So that's pretty good, to be fair. Nice little pop there as well.
Yeah.
What exhaust you got on this?
It's custom made by MIJ, so
Yeah.
pre-cut delete, no middle blocks, and a high flow, small one at the back.
Yeah. Sounds quite nice, to be fair,
it's
as well.
alright, it's nice, yeah.
Right guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you to these guys for obviously coming down and letting us install this boost gauge. If any of you guys want any work doing, make sure you look at the Rusty Autos page on Facebook, or you can message me on Instagram, all that sort of stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And that cat just distracted me. Peace.